Hey, you guys want to see Ty on 4 hours sleep?
No.
Look at Ty on 4 hours sleep. Look at
Oh.
wave to the ladies, Ty. Wave to the ladies. Ty, are you getting excited?
Yes, sir. No, I have because I got my shout out to 5 Live.
Oh, fuck, shouting out 5
Send
Alive.
stuff to the camp with
Going on, guys. Nick Mac here. We're just on our way for another adventure. Me and Ty, we stopped for a bathroom break. I'm just waiting for Ty to get the hell out of the bathroom. And yeah, we're going to Mindenoffroad Park again. We got a couple people we're gonna meet up there. Yeah, it should be a good time.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay and last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Oh my God.
Incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to see with it, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you can be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of making modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Okay, boys, we made it to Miserable Lake Trail. Here's the entrance, if you don't know what the entrance looks like.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, fame, a disease of play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh!
Spicy shit. Oh, fuck, Ty. Ooh. Oh, someone's caught up to us. Oh no, that's Chris. Yeah, that looked a little scary, eh?
That looked pretty cool though.
That was a butt puckering moment for sure. You should have seen me when I took the side-by-side down that. Chris made it look easy.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic. Yeah, if I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep my face, no way, you don't want it. Yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Can you back up? Yeah, he's gonna have to go back.
Guys gotta learn, you can't just give her snot.
No shit, eh? Fuck, you gotta take her gingerly. Go that way, Ty. Turn the wheel hard that way. Now slow. 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 Little throttle. Oh, I know, I know. There you go.
That boy needs a 450.
I think he needs that clutch out of there.
He does.
That clutch doesn't engage to like 2,000. Ty!
Fucking watch a lot. Like I'm barely touching it.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Touching the thing, it just fucking always wants to launch. Like,
It's because your clutches are engaging.
fuck, man. And once it's just taken, there's nothing you can do. Like,
Yeah. How the fuck did I get that? Yeah, those clutches when they hit, man, they fucking grab you and throw you. You gotta learn how to feather them in there.
trying, but it's so fucking.
Oh, I hear you, dude. I'm not.
I mean, I hit a bump and then all of a sudden it's like.
Yeah, that's the shitty thing about a fucking throttle like that. Deep water.